The MacArthur Company started in 1913 as a small manufacturer of pipe insulation and distributor of insulation, roofing, and HVAC materials. Western MacArthur Company was formed in 1967 through the merger of MacArthur and Western Asbestos Company. This new company was both a manufacturer and distributor of asbestos-containing products. Both Western Asbestos and the MacArthur Company distributed Johns Manville, or JM asbestos products, starting in the early 1900s. Western MacArthur began manufacturing asbestos insulation in the 1950s. Western MacArthur distributed JM products to various locations like chemical plants, hospitals, schools, and government buildings. It also supplied asbestos products to shipyards for use in shipbuilding. As early as 1977, Western MacArthur was facing asbestos injury lawsuits filed by workers or family members of those impacted by asbestos-related diseases. Thousands of lawsuits began to pile up, causing financial strain on the company. It filed Chapter 11 bankruptcy on November 22nd of 2002. When it emerged from bankruptcy reorganization, the Western Asbestos Settlement Trust was established in 2004 with about $2 billion in funding. In 2022, 373 claims were filed with the trust according to its annual financial report. The report also details that $27 million was paid out in claims in 2022, adding to a total of nearly $1.6 billion that the trust has paid since it was established. The current payment percentage for compensation is 51.1%. This means that qualifying claimants receive 51.1% of the designated payment value determined by the trust for their illnesses. We've helped thousands of people receive compensation for their asbestos injuries. Let us help you.